Namaskar. Today is 12 January and welcome to our new vlog of Hit Fit Alawat with another topic. 12 January, the Indian and all over the world, we used to celebrate it as a National Youth Day. Sorry, I can't sit just after the workout. So let's make a video while doing some little workout. So National Youth Day, in the remembrance of the birth date of Swami Vivekananda, the great person, the leader who was born in 1863 and who lived up to 1903. So in the remembrance of him, National Youth Day is celebrated. India has decided this day as the National Youth Day. Since the World Conference held in Chicago, where the Swami Vivekananda delivered his speech, his maiden speech over the religious and spirituality of India. After then, the world recognized that how important is the spirituality and the other thing to which Indians are well connected. If we see the total population of India, and more than 50% of them belongs to a category of lower age than the 25 years. So the future belongs to them, the future belongs to the youth. And this day is to encourage the youth and to make the future of the youth bright, and to motivate all the people and to motivate all the youths and to listen to their problems, and whatever we can do, whatever the nation can do. Actually these days every specific day has some motive. Similarly, like this National Youth Day is also celebrated, so that in our daily routine, when the people get just busy in their routine life, sometimes they forget what is the importance of this day, and the basic and the prime need of some important factor which are normally forgotten, they can be reminded by naming these days. Well, there is a birthday of Sachin Tendulkar as well on this day, 12 January. He was born in 1973. So would like to wish happy birthday to our legend cricketer Sachin Tendulkar. Although my workout is not yet complete, so and of course it's important to stay healthy, and the youth, as I wish on 1st January to the youth, that all health and pleasure you can only achieve if you like to maintain your health. There were 3 P's which were mentioned: peace, perseverance and purity, which are required to go through the life. These 3 P you must have inherent in your character: purity, peace and perseverance. Peace, of course, you have to be peaceful with others also, not only within you but to the other also. Purity means you can't be crafty and cunning. You have to, unless you will be pure from inside, you can't success. Maybe the success can be short if you avoid the purity, should not cheat, should not betray, and the success achieved based on this by betraying and cheating cannot be last longer. And third is perseverance. Perseverance is the most important factor in our life. We don't get succeed, we don't get uh, what we tried sometime, and sometime we did our best, still we didn't get, still we are not able to achieve that thing. So for that we have to make our persistent effort so that we can achieve whatever we wish. It's important to do your neck exercise daily, and especially those who sit more time in front of computers and the cabin. Most of the people get pain in the neck just because they don't uh, feel the importance of doing the workout of neck. You don't require special time to do the neck exercise, although it will help more when your body is warm up. And if you like to do dund push up, then your neck will be always stronger. Try to do 50 push up daily. Obviously it will help you, it will help to make your neck stronger along with the other muscles. So National Youth Day is today. At Chicago, the Swami Vivekananda delivered one of the great speech which is still remembered, and the nation recognized India and the respect. Time to do some push up. Yes, I did my 50. Tell me in the text box, do you do daily the push up, and what are the different kind of push up a person can do? You can do any kind of push up. Some people used to do it with one hand, but that was just only to show. The important factor is use your both hand, it will impact your both muscle. That are the different kind of strength just to flaunt. Okay, these things can be done sometime, but stick to the basic, it will help you more better. Flaunting is something else. Okay, time to say namaskar again. Okay.